In the competitive world of independent restaurants, staying smart about profit margins is critical. With the Pizza Profit Calculator on the Grande Cheese app, you can quickly review margins and profitability to stay ahead of the competition. So, let's learn how to use it. From the home screen of the Grande Cheese app, press the Pizza Profit Calculator widget towards the bottom of your device. Our introductory message says it best. This tool is a simple way to help gauge your profits quickly, whereas the food cost calculator is a more comprehensive option. Once you've read the message, you can close it with the X in the top right. Don't care to see it again? Simply check the box. On the first page, you'll be inputting data for your control pizza. You will notice the control pizza chart has 6 basic fields: selling price, pizza sold per week, dough and sauce cost per pizza, cheese ounces per pizza, and your cheese cost per pound. Simply enter your data into the chart and then press the new pizza arrow at the bottom right. The new pizza chart contains the same 6 fields as the control pizza. Fill these out with any potential adjustments to see how they impact your profit margins. If you only want to see the yearly profit margin of your control pizza, you can skip these fields. Once the fields are filled in, press the results arrow on the bottom right to advance to the results table. The results table allows you to quickly analyze your inputs and how they impact your margins. You will see all of your previous inputs for the control pizza and new pizza, along with the variance column to easily see the differences. You will also notice 5 new rows: total cost of cheese per pizza, total pizza cost, and the approximate profit margins for each pizza. You will also see the approximate profit margins by week and year. In the variance column, you can easily see the difference between the inputs entered. Inputs that may positively impact your margins will be in green, while those that may negatively impact your margins will be in red. To update any inputs, press the New Pizza button to go back to that page, or press the Start Over button to go back to the Control Pizza page. The data you enter on each page will not clear until you hit Clear Data or manually delete the data from each field. This allows you to make minor changes without needing to re-enter all of the data again. And that's it. With the Pizza Profit Calculator, you can quickly ensure your margins are aligned, ensuring you remain profitable and successful. If you have questions about the app, check out our blog or contact us at grandecheese.com.